Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get the Goalpost cosmetics in Grow a Garden. Basically, you're going to play this game when the update is here, and you're just going to put the ball inside of your enemy's goal. So basically, where the arrow points, you have to move it there. It's a little bit tricky to do, especially with this here. Oh my god, there we go. Well, I'm like playing alone, so if you're in like a server where it's just yourself, you can do this. Oh my gosh, no, it's a little bit annoying though because you can't run, so come on. Oh no, if it goes out, you'll need to go back. I think you need to hit the goal 3 times, if I'm not mistaken. And it's pretty much not in my control that much. And the timer is at like 90 seconds, so you're just going to try. It's very annoying with this. Okay. You know what? I'm not even going to attempt to do it, but you need to hit the goal 3 times. Why is it going to my goal? Why is it going here? Why is it going here? Anyways, that is how you can get the Goalpost in Grow a Garden. Oh my gosh. I think it's easier if you're playing with friends, so they can help you. Well, if they're good. Okay. Okay, one more. One more. I think we can do this. No, don't go out. Please, please don't go out. Okay, there we go. Hello? Why is it floating? No! No. Come on. Oh my gosh. It's the freaking weather. Oh my gosh. Come on. Yeah, I give up. Why would they put this weather here? Come on. Oh my god. Yes. There we go. Woohoo! And I got the Goalpost. That is it. That's how you can get it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!